And it goes a little something like.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm trying to get more into vlogging, so let me see if I can do it. My mornings are usually busy and long, but I skipped gym and breakfast today because I have to go to a wedding. Everything here has been messy and hectic. Our house is in renovation since April. It's been forever. The bright side is I'm finally getting a new room, and the dark side is I don't know when. Anyway, I showered and now it's time for makeup. I have to be there for almost 10 to 12 hours, so I need my makeup to last a really long. I'm going with soft glam today because my dress is also pastel, and I don't know if I can really pull off a full glam in such a hurry. I was given a deadline of an hour, so I need to rush. I really wanted to do a nice eye look, but I cannot put a false lash on to save my life. But you know what? I don't need it, and I'm gonna tell you why. Today I'm using Maybelline's new Sky High Mascara. You know, the one all your favorite bloggers, international bloggers have been raving about. They love it, and count me in too, because this is life changing. It's always sold out for a reason. First of all, this packaging is so bougie and chic. I love pink, and it's wand. It's not a wand, it's a magic wand. It's so thin and flexible. Look how it wobbles. It can reach the smallest lashes in the corner and can be used easily on lower lashes as well. Now I know it will stay all day because it's waterproof, but it has such a creamy texture. It doesn't feel stubborn on eyes at all. And don't you love it? It's so true to its name, because look at what just a single coat did. The difference is astonishing, especially for me who has the flattest lashes on earth. They already look so good, but I'll apply a second coat just in case. Oh my god, these literally look like false lashes. I love it. It's so good to wear every day or even parties and weddings. My eyes look so big already. And here is my full makeup look, and then I did my hair. It's been 3 days since I washed my hair, and it's really cold here, so I'm just using dry shampoo and hoping for the best. And then I wore my jewelry. I'm really liking these choker things these days. I love how everything has turned out. It's a little over 1 hour, but nobody has yelled at me yet, so I'm ready on time. So my family took another 1.5 hours, and now we're headed to the venue. I love it when we're all together like this. It is the best time. Here is my full outfit. I usually dress very modest at family gatherings and stuff. It just saves me a lot of awkwardness, and it's winter, so funny thing, even though we were late, we were still super early. We're with the groom, that means we are with the barat, and they are not here, so it's really awkward for all of us. After like 45 minutes they came, and your usual dhol nagada is happening. It's my second cousin's wedding, so it's like close family. Kashmiri weddings are usually mellow, but I like how everyone is dancing and having fun, even though some of us are just spectators and really shy, including me. My mother, though, she loves to dance at weddings. And that is the groom. He is my second cousin, I already told you. And now I know they're gonna take forever to go inside, and half the time is taken by the videographer, who don't even share the content for months. Very relatable. Here are some more rituals and more dancing. And here is the bride. She is from Shimla. She looks so pretty. And the next hour I've spent sitting and snacking. Then they did the Varmala game thing. I don't know, I always find it really annoying but fun at the same time. Annoying because imagine having a wardrobe malfunction, but it's mostly fun, I guess. Then I ate some more because that's what weddings are for, and I promised myself this is gonna be like my last week of overeating, and I ate some more. I forgot to vlog this part, but I changed into a suit and took a nap sitting on the chair. I am really an expert at that. The bride, groom and family are somewhere around, I don't know, doing more rituals, so we basically just wait for them. Okay, we decided to go home and get some sweaters because it was getting really cold. All that sleeping and changing, my lashes are still sky high, just saying. It's dark already at 6 and we're going back to their house for dinner. I was really sad because my phone's battery ran out and nobody had an iPhone charger, so I just sat there in silence for hours. I was thinking about how amazing life was when I was a kid and how close I was with my cousins and how it's just crickets now that we are adults. I waited for my family to have dinner and I didn't have dinner because I was feeling full, and we got back home finally after like 13 hours. Special mention to my makeup and Maybelline Sky High Mascara. My lashes are still so on point after having such a tiring day. You all should definitely get this. It's available on all e-retail stores, Amazon and Nykaa, and it's just $7.99. Now it's time to get unready. It's the most satisfying part. My eye makeup came off so easily without me looking like a raccoon. I feel so light already. I never skip skincare and you also should not, and it's usually a long process, so I just watch an episode of Modern Family meanwhile. It's my comfort show these days. I am in bed finally and it's 12 a.m. and I felt like snacking because I didn't have dinner. I got these from Singapore last week. They are so yummy. I was searching something to watch on Netflix and nobody told me Dead to Me season 3 is here. I am so excited. I watched 2 episodes and I was just falling asleep. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you soon. Bye.